buttermilk shaped pancakes. And first we're gonna make the buttermilk and with lemon juice and milk, and then mix it up. And for the melted butter, just get like half a chunk of big butter, cut it into a quarter, put it in a big jar like this, and then, so now we're going to do the flour. Always use a knife to pat it down and spread it. Now, shave a little off. See, it's perfectly flat. Dump it in here. And now we're going to do a teaspoon of sugar. Now we're going to do okay, now we're going to do the baking soda, and we're going to put 3/4 one in, and the one. But those, you don't have to use a knife because they're so little, and you can just tap them off on the jar you're using. Now baking powder, same thing as the baking soda. But this one, you can have to use a knife because see, it's just folded. Just get the knife from that flour. But you don't have to pat it down because it's so little. For different things, different stuff. Don't pat this one down because it's extra small. We're going to do our wet ingredients. 1 teaspoon of it and 1/4 spoon of it. And now we're going to put the egg in. So now our milk is too cold, so just, if it's too cold, just mix it up. And now we're going to put it into the dry ingredients to make the batter. Now we're going to mix this up. But just gently. Yes. And we have my squeeze bottle to make sheet pancakes just like I said. And we have the preheated pan with some oil on it. So now we're going to make the shapes. try this again because before it was too thick, but my mom fixed it. Guys, see how all the bubbles have popped up? So now we're going to flip it. If you need, you can grab an extra spatula. Now I'm going to flip it. Butter chunks didn't work today, so this is a mushy, rippy pancake, and this one is a crunchy, yummy pancake. And this one is a dinosaur. And this one is a set dog. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.